Before diving into Power BI, let's make sure we're not just winging it. First, a solid grasp of data analytics helps us make sense of all the numbers flying at us. Excel skills. A must. If you've ever wrestled with a spreadsheet, you know why. SQL and databases are like the secret language of data management. Learning them is like gaining a superpower. And finally, visualization concepts ensure that all those insights actually make sense, instead of looking like a chaotic splash of charts. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott, and for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Business intelligence is basically the art of making smart decisions without having to rely on gut feelings alone. It helps organizations turn raw data into meaningful insights, so we aren't just staring at endless numbers. The right BI tools, such as Power BI, help make data-driven strategies a reality. And let's be honest, who doesn't want to make smarter choices without flipping a coin every time? Data modeling is like organizing a messy closet. You need structure to make things accessible. Different models serve different needs, whether it's relational, hierarchical, or something fancier. Well-structured data ensures smooth processing, and understanding relationships between datasets can save you from analysis nightmares. Trust me, getting this right makes life a lot easier. DAX is the magic potion behind Power BI's data transformation. It's a powerful formula language that lets us perform calculations and manipulate data dynamically. Think of it as Excel formulas on steroids. Learning the basics of DAX will turn messy data into something insightful without pulling your hair out. A Power Query is like a data cleaning wizard. It helps us transform messy, unstructured data into well-organized tables, making analysis smooth and efficient. With built-in functions, automation, and an easy-to-use interface, it saves hours of manual work. If you've ever had data that looked like spaghetti, Power Query is your best friend. Cloud solutions are the future. No more worrying about running out of storage or losing important data in an office laptop crash. Azure Oz and others provide scalable, secure, and efficient ways to manage data. And Power BI, it plays well with cloud data, making integration a breeze. So no more excuses for losing that crucial dataset. Welcome to the world of Power BI Desktop. Imagine it as your control center for data analytics. We'll start with navigation. It's simpler than it looks. Next, those mysterious panes. They're actually your best friends. Data modeling might sound complex, but trust me, it's a game changer. And visualization. That's where the magic happens. By the end, you'll feel like a Power BI wizard. Ever wished you could connect all your data like a pro? Well, Power BI makes it easy. You can pull from various sources effortlessly, importing and transforming data. Think of it like cooking. Get the ingredients right and the dish is perfect. Choosing between direct query and import mode is like picking between fast food and a home-cooked meal. And of course, keeping everything refreshed ensures your insights stay top-notch. A Power BI service is like a grand stage for your reports. You publish them and suddenly they're accessible from anywhere. Want to impress your colleagues? Share dashboards that make their work easier. Managing workspace access is about giving the right people the right view, kind of like VIP passes to a concert. And let's not forget automation, because who wants to manually refresh data every morning? Reports and dashboards are where the creativity kicks in. Interactive reports. Think of them as clickable storytelling. Dashboards should be clean and effective, no clutter, just insight. Slicers and filters. They let users see exactly what they need without drowning in data. And themes. They keep everything looking sleek because aesthetics matter. Welcome. So if you're here, you're ready to dive into Power BI, and that's exciting. First, know your tools. Power BI is powerful, but understanding its basics makes everything easier. Second, good data is half the battle. Organize it well so your reports shine. Third, visuals matter. Learning how to present data clearly will save you headaches later. And finally, keep practicing. The more hands-on experience, the better you'll get. So let's roll up our sleeves and get started. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.